old Willys. I like those. Those are pretty tough. Oh, here comes that little samurai Jeep wannabe. It's got a Jeep sign on the front of it.
A what sign?
A Jeep sign. It's actually a Suzuki. I'm definitely gonna make sure I get that thing on video.
He's for sale, brother.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I just want to get it on video. Okay. I want to see that thing go. You ever go on YouTube? It'll be on there.
Woodtube.com.
Wood2?
Woodtube.
Woodtube.
Oh, it's got more wood than metal.
Oh. Now I hear it. I see what you're saying. Check this guy out up there with the Volkswagen back end. Man, that's got to be a scary ride. I wouldn't want to sit on that. Mini mud tank. Let me talk to this guy for a bit. You're not actually going to ride in the back there, are you?
Yeah, I know.
That's got to be scary.